Nothing was given, no handouts, nothing. Every single thing is earned.
Yeah, a lot of sacrifice that goes into that. A lot of betrayal, a lot of endurance, a lot of pain, a lot of discomfort. That's the part that isn't glorified, that isn't talked about enough. But behind every successful person is a story, or years of stories of sacrifice, endurance, and encountering miserable conditions, stress, uncertainty, but also the common denominator is the fact that amongst all those circumstances, we didn't quit. This is a back workout, but we're incorporating some functional training, cardio, and it's a 20-minute workout. Each station is 5 minutes, 4 stations total. 20 minutes of work with the 4 rest periods. It's 24 minutes, so you're done in 24 minutes. Whether you have fancy equipment like this, or you're just doing air squats, push-ups, sit-ups, you can get a lot in a short period of time if you have the intention to do so.
Yeah, minimal equipment. If that's what you're working with, you can make it happen. One down, 3 more to go.
Yeah. What are you weighing right now? You ain't sweating when you train. You're looking like you're about ready to go to the prom after a workout. You ain't going hard enough, son. You gotta turn it up, burn more calories, get more blood flowing, and make it harder, right? That's what we wanna do. We wanna make these workouts as hard as possible. We're doing a lot of work, minimal rest, 90-degree weather. I don't even know what the humidity is. We're in Florida, so it's
I think the heat index is like 105 today.
no big deal.
Big deal.
Yeah, 105 heat index, brutally intense, high intensity, functional back workout on a Wednesday.
Yeah. All right, we got deadlift just with the band. If you don't have a bar or weights, 1 band is all you need. You can be a little more explosive on the way up. The band. We do 10 here.
That's hard work, baby. True story about farmer's walks. A few years ago, Raj actually turned me on to those. I was like, what's that? I'm stupid. You know, obviously speed ignorant. And now I agree. I heard him talking about it. Farmer's walks, one of the best, if not the best, functional exercise that you'll ever do. It trains everything. If you want to get amazing abs, I'm going to recommend 100 times out of 100 that you do farmer's walks, carry around heavy dumbbells, weights, whatever. I'm going to recommend you do that over sit-ups 100 times out of 100.
Nutrition Solutions completely changed the game for me. It made me a next level athlete, next level superstar, next level in the gym, just providing yourself with the right type of fuel without having to think. Just heat, eat, dominate your goals, and repeat. That's how we do it. Today is a lot of conditioning, but single arm dumbbell row is one of the best exercises to build the thickness in the lat, thickness in the back. So I'm gonna do this really slow and deliberate. Full range of motion. All the way down, and just think from pulling with your lat only.
That was a good one though, right?
Yeah, bro, really good.
I mean, you know, obviously we killed a little bit of time in the beginning, talking, catching up, but
Yeah.
or you can get a lot done.
Yeah, you can.
And then, you know, when you're doing that, you know what you can't do? This type of training, there's no time to look at your phone.
Yeah.
There's no time to even think about looking at your phone because you're thinking about not dying.
Yeah.
That's why we have all the, if you notice, Rick, maybe get a shot of the plaques. So we write, it's not very many things to remember, but because we're working so hard and our body's just burning up oxygen, it's hard to think. So we have those little placards there to remind us what the hell we're doing. Because you forget what's next. I've done it 8 times, but I forget what's next.
Yeah, or you start lying to yourself, like, oh, I'll just do 8 this time.
Yeah.
Start kind of making shortcuts. But
That's not what we do.
writing it down, you're held accountable. Yeah, very good system. Plan your workouts ahead of time.
Let me ask you this. So we obviously have talked a lot about the physical benefits and how significantly you have changed from a physical standpoint with nutrition and fueling yourself systematically in line with your goals. But what about like cognitively? What about like your focus, your mental acuity, your ability to just think more and retain more? Have you noticed a significant?
Yeah, definitely. Food is like fuel, not for just for your body, but for your brain. So if you fuel yourself with the right type of food, right type of supplements, you stay hydrated, you're gonna function at a very high level cognitively, physically. Yeah, definitely. You eat junk. I eat junk now since I don't eat it that often, but when I do, maybe once a week or something like that, I can feel it in my head. I wake up the next morning, I feel like I'm almost hungover. Yeah. I haven't had alcohol in like 5 years, but it's that same feeling, like feeling hungover, dehydrated, especially the high levels of sodium. Wake up with a really dry mouth, just feel like I gotta get it out of my system. Right away, I gotta sweat it out. Yeah.
And the reason your cognition is elevated when you eat well is when you're consuming high levels of quality omega-3 fatty acids that you find in bison, elk, grass-fed beef, fish. Obviously, if you're eating fish, you want to make sure you're getting wild caught and not just the commercial grade garbage. You don't want to put that in your body. But these foods, you're fueling yourself systematically with foods that are high in these nutrients that are going to help you become the just healthiest, happiest, fittest, most dominant version of you, not just physically but mentally. And it starts in order to, I think, to get to the point where you're physically in charge, physically capable, and physically dominant. You have to be wired right up here.
Yeah.
And that's never going to happen if you're eating shit.
Exactly. Yeah. So make that first step. Get your mind right, change your way of thinking, surround yourself with positivity, positive people, tell yourself positive things.
And eat better, not less. Eat better, not less.
Yes.
Good stuff. Thank you, Rick.
Yeah, man. Rolling.
Yeah, so we're here post-workout, fueling ourselves with quality lean protein. We got elk, we got good source of carbohydrate with sweet potatoes here, and we got veggies, have fiber, lots of micronutrients, keep you healthy, fueled pre or post-workout. And I often get asked all the time, how did Nutrition Solutions change the game for you as a professional athlete, as a professional WWE superstar? Changed everything. Fueling my body with quality ingredients, quality meats, quality carbohydrates, and then just the mindset also changed. Hang around with someone like Chris, and through Chris, he introduced me to other like-minded individuals, recommended books, recommended podcasts from a mental standpoint. And then the main thing is, it takes all the guesswork out of my diet, out of my nutrition. All I do is I take a meal out of the fridge, peel it back, heat it, eat it, dominate my goals, and then repeat. And I've been on Nutrition Solutions for 5 years now. Just over 5 years, and complete game changer. I recommend it for everyone.